This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Alright, y'all, so we're recording this right now because I just want to show y'all that I'm currently picking my car up from the tow yard because the cops decided to impound my car. Yes, they impounded the Demon. I did not record the police stop, but they ended up stopping me because of a little burnout I did. You know, it was a little Puerto Rican parade I went to, did a little burnout, and got my car impounded weeks later. They ended up stopping me and telling me my car is under investigation. They took my car. So now I'm currently on my way to the tow yard. Where is it at? I think it's right here. There it is, it's over there. All right, y'all, yeah, so we're at the tow yard right now, currently picking up my car because the police decided to impound it. Yeah, I got like 4 charges. I'm gonna show y'all in a second after I pick up the Tanny. Hold on, you see it? Let me show y'all real quick so y'all know. Y'all know I'm not capping, bro. That joint is in jail all weekend, bro. That joint been in jail. Your boy ain't have no car for like 3 days. We're picking it up right now, and yeah, I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. They might not let me record in here, but we gonna see. So hold on. All right, y'all, so we at the tow yard picking up the Charger. Just look at it, y'all. It's been in jail for like 3 days, bro. 4 days. So I definitely gotta check this, y'all. The cops definitely put like a tracker in this joint or something, bro. They definitely did something.
Damn.
Tires gotta be flat.
Yeah.
Bro, what? Bro, what did they do with my car, bro? Like, what is this? Yo, they unplugged the plate cover and everything. Yeah, I could definitely just not plug this back in. I got gas in the back seat. Does it even start?
Bruh.
The car's not starting, guys.
Bro.
Can't make this shit up, bro. Good thing I got cables with me. Yeah, they definitely put a tracker on this joint, bro. It's somewhere on here. I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit because I gotta get this joint starting so I can go to work. So give me a second. All right, y'all. So we here at Meineke right now, about to get some work done to my car because when they towed my car, they messed up my exhaust. I guess they strapped my car to the tow truck wrong or attached the strap to the exhaust and it kind of messed it up. I'm gonna show y'all once they lift the car up, but yeah, we at Meineke right now. She's still sitting good. We about to see how this goes. So once they lift up the car, I'm gonna show y'all. And yeah, stay tuned. All right, y'all, so they getting ready to lift the car up right now, as y'all can see. Like I said, I don't know how my exhaust is looking. I just know it came apart. But for the first 2 days, bro, when I first got my car from the tow yard, I was wondering why my car sounded so crazy. Like, it sounded like it had like a misfire or something. Like, not a misfire, but it had like a deeper tone to it. And come to find out, bro, I hear something dragging a few days later, and it's my exhaust on the floor. So we about to see how it looks. Hopefully it's not too bad, and hopefully they don't charge me nothing crazy. But I definitely probably could have fixed it myself, but you know what I mean? It is what it is. They gonna get me right though, so we gonna see.
First of all, nigga, fuck PSK. Just dropped the window on a nigga, he got hit up broad day. He tried calling, get away, but broski nailed him to the page. They did that shit to T.O., so they got full of same pain.
There goes the startup, y'all. It sound the same, but it probably run a little bit better. I can't believe it's really cold now, bro. It was just hot outside, now it's cold. Like, I got smoke coming out of my exhaust. This is crazy. I think that's the reason why smoke is coming out. Should be. Hopefully she run better, man, because she was running a little crazy. Yo, they better not have messed with my shit, bro. They better not mess up my shit, bro. And my shit better be right. That's why I don't like taking my car to shops. The shops be cooking me. That's why I do everything myself. Lifting her back up, they must have forgot to do something. Yeah, I know y'all like that AFE power exhaust. Y'all wondering why my car's so loud. That's what it is, go grab it. I don't know how much it is, but it came like this. AFE power. Another modification on the way that I want to get done to this car. Probably gonna get it done here. And that video is gonna be dropping next. So I might wanna hit that sub. I don't know if it's like a mindset kind of thing where like every time like you get work done to your car, well at least me, like I always think it feels a lot better once you get it back. Like it runs a lot better and stuff. So I don't know if it's just my mind playing games with me or what. But it definitely is feeling like a lot smoother. And I hear the whine a lot more for some reason. Y'all hear that, John? Ew. Let me chill out, y'all. Let me chill out. I don't want to bang. As y'all can see, it is nasty outside. So I don't know what I'm getting ready to get into today. It could be a little car meet later, a park and chill type joint. I kind of want to chill because I ain't really get to explain to y'all like the situation, but pretty much what happened was your boy did a burnout at a parade. It wasn't nothing too crazy. Like, I still had the same tires on. Like, if it was something bad, bro, I'd be on wire. But it was like the smallest burnout, bro. Like the smallest burnout, bro. I thought I had my plate covered. I did not, unfortunately. So I dipped, and then 3 weeks later, I'm getting ready to wake up for work. You know, starting my day. It was a Friday. It was actually last week, but it was 3 weeks after the parade. It was a Friday. I started my car. I left my house, and not even 60 seconds after I left my crib, bro, I lied to you not, a cop gets behind me. I don't know if they were already like at my house or what happened. I don't know. But a cop got behind me. I guess they ran my tags or knew where I lived. I don't know what the hell happened. But the guy behind me pulled me over. He was like, this car is under investigation. I'm like, for what? Like, why is my car under investigation? Next thing you know, he tells me to get out the car. He asks for my license and registration. Tells me to get out the car. He's like, we're gonna tow your vehicle. Pretty much we're gonna tow your vehicle for 72 hours. We're gonna impound it for 72 hours, whatever. And they gave me 4 charges. I forget one of them, but it was like willful spin tires, reckless driving, something mischief, however you say that word. And it was just, it's a lot of BS, bro. Like a lot of BS. As much as I try and chill out with doing donuts and going to car meets and takeovers, bro, like, I do the smallest burnout. I'm Puerto Rican, so it's like, bro, like, it's a parade, bro. Like, I gotta turn up for y'all, like, feel me? So I hit a little burnout, bro, and I got all this BS coming. Now I gotta get a lawyer, bro. Like, this shit getting bad, bro. I got it back about 4 days later. I had to go to some building, do all this extra stuff, sign paperwork just to get a tow release form, and then take it to the tow yard. And luckily it was only $100 to get it back. Luckily, like, thank God it was $100. The first time I ever got my car impounded, because I got reckless driving before with Len back in the day. The first time I got impounded, I got it back the next day, because on the tow release form they never put it was a 72 hour hold. So I got it back the next day, and it was like $300, bro. Cooked me. So I'm thinking it's about to be the same thing. I go there, they say $50 or $100. I'm like, damn, bro, I could take this bread. So I got my shit back, and we chilling right now until like another 2 weeks when we gotta go to court for this incident. And I gotta literally probably pay another fine on top of the couple thousand I gotta give to my lawyer. So we'll see how it goes, y'all. But yeah, I've been trying to chill, bro. I literally been trying to chill. And the one time I do a burnout, they run cameras back and catch me. So this shit is mad nutty. And there's cops that don't even be on that. Like, why are y'all all of a sudden like on that shit, bro? Like, it don't even be car meets out here, and they just on that. So I don't know. But yeah, it's not looking too good for your boy. I don't know if I'm not gonna have my license. I'm gonna get my license revoked. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we'll see. Y'all know that's not gonna stop me from making videos, though. I promise you. They can take my license, bro. I promise you, I'm not stopping making videos, bro. You will not see the end of Lordship. So that's all I'm saying. But I just wanted to give y'all a little backstory on everything, because y'all probably wondering. So I don't know if I'm gonna put this in the beginning, but if it is, stay tuned to the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, because it's gonna be a banger, of course. I might have already told this story to y'all too, but I didn't really have time to really like explain because I was going to the tow yard at the time. So yeah, I know a lot of y'all might say it's dumb as hell that I did the burnout, but like I said, man, I don't give 2 F's, bro. Like, I'm Puerto Rican. It was a parade. It was a Spanish parade. Like, that's the one time I feel like I could just do a burnout. But then again, the one time I think I could just do a burnout, this BS happens, because they want to be adding cameras on the street all of a sudden and running the shit back. Like, if I get the footage, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put it in here, but I don't even know. This video is gonna be uploaded by the time I go to court and be able to get the footage. So if I can at that point, but I don't know. I'm gonna update y'all next video and a video after, and y'all know, just to let y'all know, just to let y'all know what's happening from now on. So, but that's all I got, man. I don't know what's gonna happen in the rest of this video, but stay tuned. That's just a little backstory. I know a lot of y'all gonna skip this, John, but Lordship is on the radar. My car got arrested. I almost got arrested, Yeah. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit though. The car's running great though, by the way, but I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. So it's currently been a week ever since I got chased by the cops and they took my car. They also took his car as well. You know, tell him what happened? Or why is it so dark?
Michael Myers.
Come on, bro. It's not Halloween yet. Nah, I'm joking, y'all. But it's been a week since the incident. Fuck Officer Johnson.
Alright.
If you watching this, you a bitch. My lawyer's not gonna like what you did to me. So, y'all, this is a little short video though, just telling y'all what happened, man. The cops actually took my car. Your boy might go to jail. I don't know. My court date is coming up next week. I don't know what's gonna happen, y'all.
Niggas going to jail, and I'm telling y'all, they put me on that stand, I am screaming everybody's name, everybody's getting booked.
Who's everybody?
Everybody's getting booked.
That's all this video is gonna be about. If y'all stay tuned to this end, or until this part, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I didn't really record too much, but yeah, the cops did take my car. This is not fake. Your boy got a court date coming up. I do have a lawyer, so we good. I think we good. I don't know, but yeah. Look at the tanny.
Catch y'all. Y'all be safe.
It's not orange no more. Yup. What's he doing? It's not orange anymore, buddy. It's not orange anymore, buddy. Bro, what? Bro, he's lost, bro. Bro, he's glitched out, bro. Yo. $911. Go get that little Beamer, bro. Get out of here. We don't fuck with you Beamer niggas, bro. He's stuck. Bro, trying to see through the rat. This shit not orange no more. Give it up, gang. You're going bald.
Yeah, your tongue's still open.
Oh shit. Oh, you can't make this up. The one spot that this wants to be at is on a latch. Like, you can't make this up. Alright, y'all. Pray for me. I need everybody in the comment section to leave the prayer hand emojis and be like,
Lord Schiff.
free Lord Schiff.
Oh, yeah, free Lord Schiff.
Nah, not free Lord Schiff, but Lord Schiff not going to jail. Say something. I don't know.
Be positive,
Make
y'all.
sure y'all comment. Be negative.
Wait.
Let's go.
Positive.
Nah,
plus
be
negative.
positive. Be positive.
Be positive plus negative equals C. Hamster, northern hemisphere, plus the igloo of the aquatic cologne.
Yeah, bro. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna catch you in the next video. If there is another video, check out the last one if you haven't already. I'm gonna catch y'all.